today I'm going to be opening LOL Surprise Lils. They came out earlier this year, so let's get opening. Like whenever I try to open an LOL, it never zips. Okay, I can see our clue. So this is our clue. I like dresses. It goes, I like dresses. I don't know. I'm not an expert at these codes, but I think I'm pretty good at them. Well, in my opinion. Ow, that hurt. So hard to open. Oh, yes, and in these, you can get a pet or a little sister. Ah, man, I didn't get a rare. See, if it's gold, you get a rare, but if it's pink, you don't get a rare. And if it's any other of those colors, you don't get a rare. Only gold. You'll get a rare. So hard to open. I might have to get scissors for this. So I got the scissors. Now let's try to cut this without damaging it, which I think I am. I got it guys, finally. In like 15 hours. See, I told you it comes in like a little hair thing. Oh, and that just popped open, but this is a way to make a crib. You need like 1/2 of it, and then get this thing, and then do it and then slip it in like this, and you can get a crib like that and put your baby right there. If you get a baby, or it can be a pet little doggy, and then you can like slip it and then make it like that, or can just do it like that. And it can be like a little bath because it's supposed to. You can see that. It has a little drain. So let's get to opening. So I think this is the doll. I know it is because I can feel the head. It's going to be a baby. Good thing I got the scissors, because these are very hard to open. These little things. Oh, I got cute shoes. Cute little shoes. Okay, those will go right there. Let's open up our second one, which I don't know where it is. Oh, that's our baby. Oh, right here. Let's crack this open. We got a skateboard! What the? We got a skateboard! This is the bottom of it. It's so cool. Now for the finale. Okay. Where's the doll? Right there. Moment of truth. Ah! Ooh, she's cute. Let's get her dressed. Very big shoes for her little tiny feet. It's hard to, but we're gonna keep at it. Her back, all the shoes came off. This is her with the shoes. I think you see they're very big. And then her skateboard. Skateboarding with socks on. Whoa. Let's test out the very big crib for her. So you can rock and roll around. So I want my crib like this so it's easy to put my baby in. She looks comfy. So, bye. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.